our topic is types of chemical reactions. The chemical reactions can be categorized into two groups. First, main chemical reactions, and second, reactions related to main chemical reactions. Main chemical reactions are combination reaction, decomposition reaction, third, displacement reaction, fourth, double displacement reaction. These are main chemical reactions, and reactions related to these chemical reactions are first, oxidation reaction, reduction, third, redox reaction, fourth, precipitation reaction, fifth, endothermic reaction, sixth, exothermic reaction, seven, corrosion, and eighth, rancidity. These reactions are called related reactions because these are same as main chemical reaction. Now we will discuss about these main chemical reactions. First one is combination reaction. Any chemical reaction in which two or more substances react to each other to form a single substance. Such type of reaction is called combination reaction. We can understand by an example. Suppose that these are two elements and react to each other to form a single substance. Two elements are combining to form a single substance. This type of chemical reaction is called combination reaction. We can take an example. When carbon reacts with oxygen, then carbon dioxide is formed. Such type of reaction is called combination reaction. Again, definition of combination reaction: such a chemical reaction in which two or more reactants react to each other to form a single substance is called combination reaction. Now our second reaction is decomposition reaction. As decomposition means breaking down. So any chemical reaction in which a single substance breaks down into simpler substances. That is, if you take an example, suppose that this is a single element. When you apply heat, light or electricity to this element, it breaks down into two or more single substances, simpler substances. Such type of reaction are called decomposition reactions. We can take an example. When calcium carbonate is heated, it decomposes into calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Such type of reaction are called decomposition reactions. Once again, any chemical reaction in which a single substance breaks down into simpler components or simpler substances is called decomposition reaction. Example: when heat is applied to calcium carbonate, it breaks down into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Now our third reaction is displacement reaction. Displacement means to replace. So such a chemical reaction in which any more reactive element displaces a less reactive element from its compound is called displacement reaction. So now, to understand this reaction, we will take an example. When iron nail is dipped into copper sulfate solution. As iron is more reactive than copper, so iron displaces copper. Iron displaces copper and form iron sulfate. Here iron has displaced copper from copper sulfate solution. So such type of reaction, again definition: any chemical reaction in which a more reactive element displaces a less reactive element from its compound is called displacement reaction. Now our fourth type of chemical reaction is double displacement reaction. It is a different type of chemical reaction in which there is an exchange of ions between the reactants. To understand this chemical reaction, let's have an example. Na2SO4 plus BaCl2. what happens? Let's see. 2NaCl plus BaSO4. In this reaction, you can see that ions has been interchanged. That is, sulfate ion has gone with barium, sulfate with barium, and chlorine with sodium. Chlorine is sodium. So, the definition of double displacement reaction: any chemical reaction in which there is an exchange of ions between reactants is called double displacement reaction. Now, our second group of chemical reactions is related chemical reactions. We will discuss about these related chemical reactions in our next video.